All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1010, Laura versus Tower.
Thank you. Ooh, you all may be seated. Let's see. Ms. Laura,
Yes, ma'am.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I'm trying to get my baby back.
Okay.
I have two babies,
Okay.
and I just had another baby with my boy. He's not my boyfriend anymore, but he hit my first baby, so Houston got to take him, and I want him back because I'm not with that
anymore, but he hit my first baby, so Houston gotta take him. And I want him back, cause I'm not with that boyfriend. This case is already shaping up to be a roller coaster. Laura wants custody back. But the judge isn't buying into emotional reasoning. She needs proof that circumstances have changed, and asking for child support when a child has never lived with her, that a bold move. And the judge isn't letting it slide. Meanwhile, the father sits back, likely knowing he has the upper hand. This isn't just about what Laura wants, it's about what's best for the child. And with the judge pressing for facts over feelings, it's only a matter of time before a harsh reality check lands. Stay tuned.
So Houston took the baby or you lost the baby?
Either way, Houston has the baby, and I want it back.
No, it's not either way. It's you lost the baby. So did somebody intervene and take the baby away from you? And
Yes,
get the baby?
ma'am. They took the baby and gave him to Houston.
Okay.
And I want him back.
Okay. And you have a new baby with your ex-boyfriend?
Not ex-boyfriend, ex-boyfriend.
So you guys are no longer together?
Correct, ma'am.
How old is this new baby?
How old's the new baby?
Yes.
Like 8 months.
And you're done with him after 8 months?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I was done with him like 10 months ago. The baby's 8 months.
Oh, okay. So before the baby was born?
Yes, ma'am.
Did he come to the birth of the child?
No, I didn't want him around.
Oh, okay. All right. So you now want to get custody back from...
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
From Houston.
Who does the baby live with?
Me.
The baby? No, my baby lives with me.
No, not your child. How many children do you all have between you?
Just one.
Just one. And the child lives with him?
Yes, ma'am.
And you want the baby back?
Yes, ma'am.
How long has the baby lived with you?
The baby? It's been
Yeah.
living the whole time.
Oh, okay. And how old is this child?
5.
5. Oh. And you expect to get child support?
Yes, ma'am.
And the child has been living with him for almost, it's a boy or girl?
Boy.
His whole life?
Yes, ma'am. Well, when I get my baby back, I want child support. Yeah. He makes way more money than I do. I want my baby back and I want child support.
I'm sorry, you have to excuse me because nothing you're saying is making sense right now. You came to court to ask me to give a child back to you that was taken from you.
Laura's case is rooted in emotions, but the judge isn't swayed by feelings alone. She needs facts. While leaving a toxic relationship is a step in the right direction, regaining custody isn't as simple as just asking for it back. The judge presses Laura on why she's only now seeking custody and questions what concrete steps she's taken to prove she can provide a stable home. But then comes the real issue. Laura is demanding child support from the father despite the fact that the child has never lived. With her, the judge is quick to point out the flaw in her logic, making it clear that financial responsibility follows custody, not hypothetical future arrangements. As the questioning intensifies, Laura struggles to provide solid answers, and it becomes evident that she may not have thought this through completely. The father, sitting quietly up to this point, is finally given the floor, and his response is about to shift the entire case.
That's 5 years old, that's pretty much lived with this man the entire time that he has been taken care of.
They took my baby away because my ex-boyfriend is an abuser and I'm not with him anymore, so I want my baby back.
Right, but the child hasn't been living with you. The child has been living with him.
Yeah, because of my ex, and I'm not with my ex anymore.
Yeah, so no, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. He would literally have to have given you the child back. And then you come in here, after you've been having the child for some time, then you come in here and say, Judge, I want this to be changed. I've been having the child this entire time. I want him to pay child support. That would be a little bit more reasonable. But what you're asking for today is very unreasonable.
Okay, well, give me my baby back, and then I'll come back in a while and ask for child support.
Well, I can't give you your baby back because I never took your baby. Okay? Actually, nobody really took your baby. You lost your baby for your own negligence with your ex-boyfriend. That has nothing to do with me. Okay? Now, fill me in over here. The baby was placed with you after the boyfriend hit the baby.
Yep.
And he's been living with you ever since then.
Yep.
You've been taking care of him. Mm-hmm. You pay for everything for the child.
Everything.
What does she do?
I visit.
She visits unsupervised.
Okay, congratulations. Financially, what does she do?
Financially?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Oh, that's what I figured. Okay. I see what's going on here. Yeah, and I'm not about to play this game with you. You're the one that's going to pay him child support today.
What?
Yeah, you are.
He makes like 3 times as much money as I do. I have to give him my money?
It's for the child, so yes, you do. You do.
The judge shifts focus, questioning why Laura, absent for 5 years, expects child support from the father, who's been the sole provider. As Laura stumbles for justification, the judge makes it clear if she truly wants custody, she must prove stability. Not just demand it instead of receiving support, she may now have to pay it. The case takes an unexpected turn, reinforcing a harsh truth. Parenting isn't about convenience, and the court won't rewrite history to suit latecomers.
Good thing is based on your income. You'll get credit for the other child that your 8-month-old, you'll get credit for that child. But yes, you are going to pay him child support. That's just the right thing to do. It's one child between the two of you, okay? And health insurance, I'm assuming you pay it.
Yes.
How much is it?
$66 a month.
$66.
I get it through my
Okay.
employer, so.
Huh?
I get it through my employer.
Okay, gotcha. And how much do you make a year?
$38,000.
$38,000. So I have your gross coming out to $3,200. That brings your net to $2,648.01. Giving you credit for the other child that you have. Your child support obligation comes out to $423.69 plus the $66 you're going to reimburse him for health insurance every month. So 66 added to $463.69 is $489.69.
$489.69.
Did you need me to repeat it?
I'm asking you, $489. I have to give him almost $500 a month?
Yeah, that's how it works. Did you really think that I was going to have him pay you child support?
No, I just wanted my baby.
Oh, okay. So your first answer was no. So then you understand exactly why you have to pay child support. Is there anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anything else?
Nope.
Okay. You all are dismissed.
Laura's case takes a brutal turn as the judge rules against her, not only denying child support, but ordering her to pay it instead. Despite her protest about income disparity, the judge shuts it down. Support is based on custody, not earnings. The numbers are clear. Laura now owes $489. $69 per month, covering child expenses and insurance realities, sets in fast. What she thought was a path to financial help has become a costly mistake. If she had never filed, she wouldn't be paying a dime. Now the law is making her take responsibility, and there's no way.
$463.69 is $489.69.
$489.69.
Did you need me to repeat it?
I'm asking you, $489. I have to give him almost $500 a month?
Yeah, that's how it works. Did you really think that I was going to have him pay you child support?
No, I just wanted my baby.
Oh, okay. So your first answer was no. So then you understand exactly why you have to pay child support. Is there anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anything else?
Nope.
Okay. You all are dismissed.
Laura's case ends in a complete legal reversal, expecting custody and financial support. She instead leaves with a child support bill and a harsh reality. Check the Law isn't about emotional appeals. It's about who has consistently provided for the child Laura lost custody due to her own past choices. And just because her situation has changed, it doesn't mean the law resets for her. The judge's ruling reinforces legal accountability. The child stays in a stable home, and the absent parent must finally contribute as a stark reminder. When you bring a case to court, be ready for it to backfire.